Well, good afternoon, and good afternoon. Welcome once again to Old Blackpool Biker. We've had a mixture today. Bear with. This looks a bit... I'll tell you in a second, anyway. Yeah, we've had snow, we've had rain, we've had everything. So, good afternoon, and good afternoon, by the way. That's snow now. I don't know if that's coming out. Yeah, this picture looks a bit grey. I'm going to have to... It's probably just me cleaning. I'm on the S10. I'll tell you for why. Just cross this Prom. I'll tell you for why in a mo. Excuse me. It is very grey, but it looks a bit too grey, if you know what I mean. There's quite a few in the car parks for the Claremont. Is that snow coming out? Can't really tell. Right, let's cross over. Yes, it's been snow, rain, you name it. Just about had it today. See how grey it is out to sea. Yeah, I'm holding this phone very gingerly because I've no cover through it as yet. So if I drop it, it's broke, literally. So I'm having problems with the 21. Every time I get a phone call, I can't ring back. And it just switches itself off. So I'm going to get that sorted tomorrow, hopefully. Gary, I know you've rang me. I will give you a bell ASAP. Sorry about that, bud. I'm not ignoring you. Honest. Like I say, I will have it sorted tomorrow, hopefully. It's done it to me before. I'm not sure if you remember when I try, if I miss a call and try and ring back, it's just switching the phone off. I don't know. It might have got too wet too many times. See if we can... I don't know. Sorry about that. No, is that better? That should be a bit better, I think. Yeah, so I will get that, like I say, sorted ASAP as soon as possible. Yes, busy later. It's snowing again now. Yeah, that seems to have cleared. It looks a bit better now. Let me know what it's like where you are. It's just been one of them days. This morning it was throwing it down, then it went to snow, then throwing it down again, and then back to snow, as you can tell. Yeah, I'm so really holding on to this phone. It's all I've got at the moment. But it's a good job, to be fair. I got this. I did say I'd got it just in case of emergencies. So yeah, so let me know how everyone is. Well, you've not had a vid out for a few days with phone and this, that and the other, and there's a lot been going on. I'll say about tomorrow. I'm going to try and get out, do a morning one tomorrow. It'll probably be on this phone. But to be fair, last time I did a video on this S10, it looked alright, it was fine. Obviously the lenses have got a bit smudged, so I'll clean them when I get back to Biker Towers later on. I've got my little jacket on, big jacket on. It's not that bad, to be fair. Get it out to sea. And now we've got rain. Well, it's a bit like slush. Oh, that wind just got up then. Same old, innit? As soon as you get wet and then that bite on the wind. Just a bit nippy. Just a bit. Yeah, so I was hoping that I've still got the case for my 8, you know, the Samsung 8 that we did the first videos with, but they don't fit. It's different, the 8 to the 10, which I, you know, obviously. Look how still the sea is though, and there's a breeze. There's a definite breeze, believe me. Oh, we're back to snow now. Can't make its mind up. Snow, rain, whatever it's going to be. Yeah, that is a bit nippy when that wind gusts a little bit. Today. Yeah, so as soon as I get the phone sorted, I'll give everyone a bell that's rang. It's got to sort things out as well with something. Not very descriptive, I know, but it just... Oh, yeah, that is nippy. A bit nippy. Really grey out there, isn't it? See a ship or something just there. Difficult to make out though. I don't know if it's coming out on screen, that. Yeah, just done this so you can see what it's like, to be honest, and to say hi, because like I say, we've not had a vid on for a while. So I hope everyone's alright. Let me know, will you, in comments. We'll leave it here. Most of all, stay safe. You know what it is.